With innovative features and a stylish design, this electric cooker with induction hob from AEG will help you create a feast in no time. The main oven and the second oven have an A rating for energy efficiency. The main oven has a large 73-litre capacity, whereas the second oven is smaller with a 39-litre capacity. There are 4 cooking zones on the hob, ranging from 3 different sizes, so it's great if you like having several pans on the go. AEG's handy stop and go function keeps your hob under control if you have to leave your cooking for a short time. A touch of a button is all it takes to quickly lower the power of any zone you're cooking with. Then when you return to the kitchen, just press the button again and you can pick up from where you left off. So you'll never need to worry about any pans bubbling over, no matter what life throws at you. This model's innovative Catalux technology helps to keep your oven clean while you use it. When the oven is on, special liners on the walls absorb and dissolve any food splatters, which can then be easily wiped away. Now you can spend less money on cleaning products and more time enjoying those delicious pasta bakes. If you're looking for an electric cooker with an induction hob to help you effortlessly create a feast, this model from AEG is the one for you.